many student actually
Actually, means
in
DBA.
doctorate program? How many intake for this session?
Actually,
As
we
it is the
have
new introduce of Commonwealth University. Yeah.
no. Commonwealth University is introduced in the 2016. Okay,
But
2016.
that was honorary,
No,
isn't it?
yeah, that was honorary. But right now means in your batch, 46 students are there. Okay, 46 students are there.
Have enrolled.
Mostly
Okay,
from where? Geographically, from which
Ge-
location?
geography, some from the Cambodia, some from the UAE, and some from the Kingdom of Tonga itself. Okay, you are from the Bangladesh, and she is from the Orissa, and one all also we are waiting, especially in this group, because from the Asia is a specific region. So I'm just guiding you ki which way we can proceed further. Okay, or their timetable is totally different. Okay, in
Okay,
your
sir.
batch,
Yes, sir. Yes,
your
sir.
batch is totally different. So because especially you are the parts of the engineering and managements and um, uh, English and other programs. Okay, other programs like the history and humanity and social science and engineering lights. So that's why we are discussing means lot because due to COVID, lots of issues are there. Lots of issues are there. We are trying to resolve all the case shortly. Okay. So I think as per the DBA and a doctorate program, for your kind information, the PhD is not earned degree. Okay, PhD and DBA is not earned degree. Getting my point? Means this is not that you have just learned it and you get the degree. Okay, you have to do and you have to create new knowledge, new knowledge for the forthcoming generation. So why you are doing PhD? The basic reason is that you want to create a new knowledge for the forthcoming generations and today's generation also. Okay, your specializations and another things totally based on because PhD is just like not a batch program. Getting my point? Means more than 50, 60 students are not there in the PhD. Okay. After the course work, you will also go in a different site. Getting my point? Within 2-3 months, your supervisor will be totally different. Your supervisor will be totally different. They will guide you in different manner. Okay. And after that, you prepare the reports and uh, entire document shall be shaped in the chronological orders. Okay,
Yeah.
so I think we should proceed further for the next round because at least 2, 3, 4 weeks we have to take in for the basic fundamental concept about the research. Then we will come on the core of the research methodology. Okay, and then we will guide you the technical aspect of the research report writings, synopsis preparations, and paper presentation, technical paper presentations, review paper presentation, and technical writing also. Because you are going to create a scientific phenomena. Okay, and you have to validate your data. What you are going to say? Okay, what you are going to say? You have to validate. Okay.
Logically true.
Sir, one question.
Yeah, please.
I I understand that it's not a course program, so you are. But do we have any chance to interact each other to get the like the networking and communication and collaboration? Is the now the buzzword of the new generation. So if we can get the opportunity to like 46 PhD candidate or the DVA program candidate who are enrolled in this program first time, and they are, if there is a common platform or a group like Facebook or any other social media or any other interaction platform, so that we can get in touch and interact our concept, our view, and get the enlightened idea from other, so that will enrich our knowledge and also to support our program or our research in further way.
Okay,
So
no problem. I will convey the message to headquarter. Okay, they will send a message from the headquarter and they will interact you separately. Okay, because here in
So
the
that we
course,
can create a WhatsApp group
definitely no problem. Because PS,
if
I'm again,
possible, if possible.
no, it is possible. But what the problem is that your research programs and your area is totally different from the others. Getting my point?
It's completely different.
Totally different, because when you will choose the topic, your supervisor is totally different. Getting my point? Your research is totally different, your concept is totally different, because no similarity are there, like the class 1, class 2, class 3, class standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like the PG and UG programs. They
Yes.
are the common batches, but in a PhD no common batches are there. Okay, no common batches are there, because someone will do work just like a Nobel Prize. Okay, means if you did very remarkable work, and because this is the commercial, this research give the commercialization issue also. Okay, commercialization issues like the patenting, copyrights, IPR. Okay, patenting,
yeah,
copyright, IPR. So student does not like to share their concepts, their idea. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Especially with the topic. As per the university feedback concerned, so you may also connect with our honorary doctorate candidates, because for the PhD programs, this is the first time we have running regular programs. Okay,
yes, sir.
regular programs or PhD and DBA programs
Before
from the
that,
university.
online program was there.
Yeah. And another thing is that we have the management programs at the University of campus also. Okay. So in this way we are proceeding. We will connect the group also. I will talk to the dean of that university. They will connect and they will send a link to you for the linkage and alliances. Okay. No problem.
Yes,
So
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
yeah,
That would be great. Actually, not for only the research. Research is different way we'll do it, but for the networking and communication, it will uh, make a different feeling that okay, we are not in the campus or doing anything inside. So if we get the like the people, bunch of people who are doing the excellence, and we are in with them in touch, so it will give a flavor or a vibe that okay, we are doing something.
definitely. No problem. We will do it. Okay. You should not worry about that. This is the university affairs. Okay. This is the university
Definitely
affairs.
not worry. Just you are like now we are now interacting with you only. So we are, our all concern will share with you.
Definitely. I will connect with the university official also. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, what's happened, this is the first time of course of the university. And I discussed with the team. So I like to see all the aspects from my view also. Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
my view, because I am also doing research. Getting my point?
Yeah, definitely. Yes.
Because as per the researching skill and researching attitude concerned, if you have a researching attitude and skills, then you always keep continue your to search new heights, new knowledge, new concepts,
New,
new
yeah,
goodwills, new knowledge, new information dissemination concern, new theory, new algorithm, new framework, like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because your brain become the going to be your brain going to be a curious mind. Okay, means you have to understand each fact and figure effectively and scientifically. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in this way we must do in this direction. As per the my experience with the universities, different universities, as a different profiles, because related with the pro vice chancellor, relations with the deans, related with the board of trustee, board of management, board of studies, and related with the independent director for the various companies. Okay, so I have just taken some class, going to take some class only for the only one reason, that I want to know which types of problem actually you are first facing, how we can solve it effectively. Because I personally like to contribute lots for the betterment of the university and betterment of the community development also. Because means until and unless what's means you are going to create the products, services, knowledge, theories, whatever, when you are going to create a new policy, new frameworks, new simulations, new idea, so that idea, simulation, theory, algorithm shall be the parts and parcel of the public domain. Okay, maybe because this is your hard earned degree, hard earned knowledge, hard earned concepts. So definitely you will think I have worked too many times, too hard for the creation of new knowledge, skill, experience, creation of theories, creation of linguistic way of the presentation. So you definitely want to think that how we can take the return on investment, what they are going to invest now. Okay, so
Definitely.
in this case,
It-
if you will think about the return on investment in this way, you just have to create the impact through the research papers. You have to create through the patent of your concepts and idea, your design, and and register it the intellectual property right act of the country. Okay, and if you will register the your literary work, your design work, your theory work, your algorithm work, or your concepts, or whatsoever the work you did, okay, that is really benefited for the mankind, then you have to just register the document to the IPR office of the any country. Getting my point? Intellectual Property Rights Act are there at any country. Okay, and you just commercialize it. You just commercialize it because
Sir,
yeah, please.
whether the doctor's degree, sir, whether the doctoral degree will be applicable in any colleges of our country? Basically, I am asking about India.
Yeah, actually, the yes, we are the parts of the Association of Indian University. Okay, and this doctorate degree is the apply for you and your entire organizations. Means we are already linked with the various association. Okay, because when we start this university in 2000, we filed the charter in 2014. Okay, then
Hmm.
we get the approval in 2016, and now we are running full
Hmm.
fledged. Okay, so in this way this program
So
is
my
going on.
question is,
Yeah,
yes,
hello.
my question is whether this, yes, sir. My question is whether the doctoral degree will be approved, has been approved by our country. Particularly, I am asking about Indian government.
Actually, this degree is approved by Tonga Quality Control Board. Okay, TQNB. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
and
Hmm.
at India, we have the equivalency. Okay, we have the equivalency. So as per the equivalency concerns, we are completely we work as a de facto and de jure concerns of the university grant commissions. Okay, so as per the university concern, we are
Yes.
fully authorized to conduct these programs effectively and efficiently, and the degree is the applicable for the all requirement of the career upgradations in the corporate sector and in and other needs of your day-to-day life. Okay, for another
So,
point,
so if
another,
suppose I would like to opt for,
yeah, yeah, actually I am going to
suppose
share
I
some.
would like to opt for assistant professor category after 4 years or 5 years, whether they will approve me.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. They will approve you because that is the parts of the Association of Indian University. Okay, and they will give the equivalency certificates. Okay, so that will a part of the university concern. Okay, equivalency certificate that will the equally concerned, or at the Indian University and Association of University at every country
Mhm.
they have every country in Bangladesh they have also on body. They will check your
Mhm.
equivalency as per the syllabus of the concern,
Mhm.
especially in the PhD program. Syllabus as no bay means process are there. Okay, they will check the process number one, whether university has conducted research coursework or not, number one. Okay, whether your coursework evaluation accomplished or not, you have the coursework accomplished certificate or not. If yes, okay, no problem. And after that you have present your presentation research proposal effectively and
Mhm.
efficiently in front the board of selection board. Okay, doctoral
Ji.
monitoring board of the university. Okay, you have the evidence.
Mhm.
Then after you after the approval of your synopsis or research proposal, they will give the some stipulated time frame. Okay, during that time frame you have to prepare your research work. You have to publish your research work in the various research papers. Otherwise your research is very outstanding, you have to file for the IPR. Because for your kind information, if you will publish any research papers, that is not going to patented. Okay, that is not going to patent it. So at least because any public document that is not going to patent it, because it is very secret document. Okay, so you have to just get patented because you are going to commercialize it. Okay, you are going to commercialize it. Or if you shared your idea, concept, frameworks, goodwills, or theory in the market before patenting, then you are not able to get effective outcome from that research work. So intellectual property rights is the very important term for the all researchers who are doing research in any specified area across the world. Okay, across the world. Or if your research is patented, getting my point, if your research is patented, then no one are going to challenge you. Okay, no one are going to challenge you about what you did, because that is wholly recognized by the particular government body and all international body for the intellectual property right act rules. Okay, so what I'm going to suggest to you, for the researching part, you have to do research. Okay, no problem, you have to publish paper as per the university requirement, no problem. But at least select any specific idea. Okay, that will give a patent also. Okay, if they will give the patent, means idea, concepts, and algorithm, then I am going to share today, touch wood, if your idea, concept, theory, and algorithm is patented by the Intellectual Property Rights Act at any country across the world, that is duly recognized by the global world also, and you may commercialize your idea, and you will get benefit also, in terms of monetary benefit also, from your research. Second part is that research is not a degree. Again, I am going to share you. Okay, Res- byproduct. It's a research. Byproduct is a degree. Getting my point? Researching is the attitude. Researching is the attitude. Be at the university, we are just going to evaluate that yes, you have scientific learning attitude, researching attitude, and we have evaluated your researching attitude. That's why we are going to certify you in the form of degree. Okay, in the form of degree. And second point is that outcome of this degree may be one part for the job purpose. Okay. Second part for the corporate purpose. Third part for the industrial aspect. Fourth parts, you are going to be your own leader. Own leader. Okay, you are going to be your own leader, your own joint venture specialist. You are going to create a big organization. Okay, you are going to be a industrialist, like that. You are thinking like that. Means degree is not going to do anything for you. Okay, you have to utilize this degree in your own way. Okay, because
Yes, sir.
because across the world 7.8 billion people are there. Okay, so the thing is that as per the degree, means doctorate degree concern, very less amount of people have a doctorate degree across the world. And I'm this is not a question about the degree, question is about the attitudes, question about the skill. Okay, because even if are going to say something, lots of university are going to provide a degree in a different manner, but people who hold this degree, they are not aware about that, what they will do with the degree. Okay, what they will do with the degree. So my concern is that if you are using your skill, experience, knowledge, attitude, that will utilize for the benefit of you, benefit of your family, benefit for your society, benefit for your blocks, benefit for your city, state, country, and entire nations. So what is your attitude? What's your vision? What are the mission that is really remarkable for your researching attitudes? Because research methodology is just like a mechanism, but who are going to use it? Getting my point? Who are going to use it? I'm not
Yes,
going to
sir.
use it, because if I am going to use in my own way, you are going to use it in your way. Okay, because everyone has own problems. Everyone has own problems. Means someone has the social problem, someone the economic problem, someone the uh, managerial problems, someone has a decision making problems, one has the product making, design making problem. So every problem solution is in a different manner. Okay, because
Yes, sir.
someone working research on the water, someone working research on the air, someone are working research on the land, someone are working research within the land. Getting my point? So their researching attitude is different, their data gathering technique is totally different, their mechanism is totally different. Okay, here I will just guide you about the what is all about the research, what is all about the research methodology, how we can use it in your own problems. Okay, because many times we observe we have not understand our problem effectively. Okay, so first we have to understand problem. That's why if you are able to understand the problem, definitely you will get the solution. That is my surety. Okay, problem is the very important
Yes, sir.
factor, very important factor.
Finding a
If
problem.
yeah, because here I'm not going to share, I'm not going to as a platform of the university. The thing is that as a common platform, if you want to solve day to day your problems, day to day life problems, then you are also winner. Getting my point? So you have to just create your scientific view, scientific knowledge, and to solve the problems. It may be decision related problem, it may be the economical problem, it may be the social problem, it may be the political problem, and like that, so and so forth. Okay, that's why in previous uh, discussion I have discussed about something regarding the research methodology, research, its meaning, its objectives, its characteristics, regarding the scientific method of the research mechanism, criteria for the good research, quality of the good research, need for the research, and the scope and its significance. These topics we have already discussed in the previous parts. Okay, so my point is that if we are going to discuss next point, so this is today we are discussing in the very different manner, but that is also part
We
of the
said last year, last
yeah.
class, audible.
Yeah, I'm going to share the slide. Don't worry about that. We will share the slide. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so again
The
in the
last two slides. Here. Okay.
yeah, again recap, because what I've said that because 78 slide are there in the first part of that. So to till date we have just across the 26 slides, and I would like to discuss today the 8 to 10 slide also. So last our discussion is that about the research methodology, meaning, objective, characteristics, scientific methods, criteria for the good research, quality for the good research, need for the research, and scope and significance. So today I am going to discuss about what are the problem of the research. Okay, what are the problem of research, role of research in the decision making, role of research in a decision making, factor that affect management decision. Okay, factor that affect management decision, type of research, or also research process and its related problem. Okay, its related problem. So that's why uh, I'm going to share something to you. You just see, then you will realize that what concept we are going to share with you. I think we have already discussed the concept about the research, what is about research, objectives, characteristics, scientific methods. And another thing is that very important thing is that quality of research, we have already discussed this thing, need for research we have already discussed, scopes and we have discussed. So another important thing is that problems in a research. So what do you think about that? In a research we have the problem related with the, because not similar to science. Okay, because everyone have a own problem. You are going to create a new science, you are going to create a new theory, you are going to create a new algorithm, you are going to create a new simulations. Okay, you are going to create a new information dissemination, information deliberations, like that. So everyone have a lots of uncontrollable variables, uncontrollable variables. Getting my point? Why I have written this uncontrollable variables? Because when you will start to work, even you are going to think about that, which way I will reach uh, Newark, means which way I have to reach. Yeah, we are going to reach, which way we have to reach at the Newark. This is a very simple problem. Simple problem is that we want to go where? In Newark and USA. So how we will go there? What are the problem with them? What are the solution we have to identify? What are the obstacle we have to solve it? Okay, it's related with the economy, it's related with the transportation, it's related with the accommodation, it's related with the association, it's related with the alliances. Lots of things are there. Okay, and another thing is there lots of climate condition also. Right now situation is totally different because after the COVID and COVID, lots of problems arises. Okay, lots of problem arises. So that is uncontrollable variables. Okay, uncontrollable variables means we are not going to control it, but we have to manage, we have to organize it effectively and efficiently to make effective decision. We have to go in Newark or not. Getting my point? If we are going to go, so what are the outcome we are going to get it? Getting my point? Third important point is that human tendency. Okay, human tendency is the one of the sector that is the problem. Time and money, because research involves some human, because sometime when they pulls in a first year, they think I will do research as just like a Nobel Prize. We have to get the Nobel Prize. And after the 6 months, they will think, no, we have to work something little bit. After the 6 months, they will think about that, because human tendency and their vision is going to change. Okay, very few peoples in this world, they have not changed their vision, like Elon Musk. Okay, they have not changed their vision. That's why he, because as per the productivity database concerned, Elon Musk is the very productive man across the world. Okay, means they have not wasted their time, any single time, in unfruitful results. Okay, they did lots of things, that's why within this time period they have got success, and people know that is the most productive man in this earth. Okay, another peoples you have seen that lots of presidents they have worked, they have lots of political peoples they have worked, lots of scientific and scientists they work in a different manner, because they have not changed their focus. That's why today we are enjoying. That's why we are today enjoying. Otherwise situation will be totally different. So another point is the time and money, because sometimes the Archimedes, the Albert Einstein, the Newton, but these people does not have a degree. You know that does
Yeah.
not hold any degree.
Yes, sir.
Galileo does not hold any degree. Okay, but they hold scientific learning, scientific mechanism. That's why they are damn sure about their theory, damn sure about the concept, damn sure about the knowledge, damn sure about their concepts. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Next important thing is the problem with the research is that sometime we are uncertain that we will get effective result or not. Okay, we will get effective result
Yes,
or
sir.
not, and uh, we are going to invest the money what will happen? Because right now you are just investing money for the academic and utilizing the skill of the scientific methods. Getting my point? Because
Yes.
industry guide, very few people do the research effectively. Okay, especially these programs means we have just completed a tie-up with the various corporate industry, because very few people as the doctorate degree, and they are doing their research, their work effectively they are supporting, you know, means lots of people have their own idea, their concept, but they don't know how they can commercialize it, how they can publish it, how they can process it, how they can present it, how they can represent it for the publics, because knowledge is somewhere and presentation skill is somewhere. Okay, means
Yes, sir.
everywhere unstructured knowledge are there, you have to structure it, you have to structure it, that make product effectively and efficiently. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, another point is lacks of computerizations. Sometime today we are using the computer and another things, you know, at the previous times lots of people do research, lots of do research on the papers and like that, because in the last classes we have discussed about the COVID vaccine. People
Yes.
was don't avoid that what will happen and which way we can create the vaccine, but they have created, and after that they lots of company are in process to create this vaccine. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you know this vaccine get patent first, they get the approval first, and they have commercialized.
Mm.
You are seeing the result of the commercialization of the research. Okay, means across the world 7.8 billion people are there. If they are going to utilize only single penny, means like that, only 50 means $50, $1, excuse me, $1, you know how much money they can generate it through this research. Getting my point?
Yes.
And within short span of time, within 2 years, they make lots of money across the world.
Yeah, huge amount.
And you know that after some time, it means the peoples, very few peoples are there, very few peoples work in this direction, very few peoples have patented this vaccine. And you know that in research, just like you seen the blue ocean, this is the blue ocean. Okay, this
Yes,
is
sir.
the real blue ocean, means someone uh, observed these problems and make the solution effectively and efficiently,
Mm.
and now they will enjoy. Okay,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
so you are just seeing the researching attitude, what's happened, because earlier 1 year people don't know what to do and how to do. Okay, and we just close our shutter, and we are in the stay on home, stay in a home and safe at the home and like that, but someone do research and make product efficiently and effectively. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and now we are enjoying this product, and we are enjoying this product for the sake of the life, but they make more profit for your life. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so researching is totally different, means this is the real research of the blue ocean, you know that, live example of the research. So next, like lacks of computerization, lack of scientific training in the methodology of the research. This is also very big problem. People don't know how to do because sometime they share in the market information, you don't know what to do, we have to share or not, when we have to share the knowledge, means what are the scientific way are there. Because you know that in the case of the COVID, lots of people said, lots of people do the research, but only few people have created the very effective solution for that. First time, you know that in the first stage, before means above 45 years of the age, people get vaccinated. Okay, after that 18 to 45 years of the age vaccinated, and after that they are thinking about that peoples of the from the 6th
Vaccinate
year
from
to the
18
18th
to
vaccine.
45.
Okay, so now situation is that they have created the scientific method, means first wave, second wave, third wave. This is the research, boss. Okay, so
Sorry,
they
sir, sorry to interrupt you. I think you have taken 2 vaccines.
yes, I've taken.
Sorry to interrupt you. I think. Thank you.
I've taken. Okay, so this is the very biggest problems, that these are the problem of the research, because every time we will not get, because if we are talking about that, we will discuss about the scientific academic research. Okay, if you are talking about the academic research, because I am a witness, I'm a witness of the academic research. Okay, I am also witness of the industry research. As per the academic research concerned, 96, 97, 98% research is just like a academic research. No utilization of the commercialization. Okay, just seeing the eligibility for to the just accomplish the degree, and we will try to find out the job in the market based on that degree. Okay, but you know that if you don't have the researching attitude, you are not going to utilize this knowledge effectively and efficiently. Okay, so you have to think, you have to train your mind first. If you will train your mind that definitely this is the problem and we have to solve this problem in different manner. Okay, because across the world, since inception of this earth, we are still facing the same problem. Based like, what's the problem? Basic problem is the light, means energy. Okay, problem with the food security, problem with the employment, problem with the uh, sanitation,
Water
problem
scarcity.
problem with the hygiene and sanitation, problem with the medicine. No proper treatment are there, no effective treatment are there. They are also blaming, doctor are also blaming this mechanism is not effective, and sometimes engineers also blame that this is not effective. So we have to just find out a way, how to solve their problem. If we will solve their problem effectively and efficiently, definitely we will get your real outcome of the research through the researching attitudes. Okay, academic is only one part. Getting my point? Academic is the only one part. Second important thing is that you have to commercialize your products. You have to think to get commercialize your product. You have to create a new knowledge. You have to create new leader for the betterment of the nation. Because you know that today we are driving car, but after some time, lots of driverless cars is going to introduce across the world. In future means no driver required. Or if driver are not required, then you know that what will the effective of the transportation system? Trans Smart transportation system is going to introduce shortly. You should not
already in testing mode or phase 2 or phase
it is
3.
also in
Yeah,
testing mode.
testing. Yeah.
So okay, means here in this Asian country, lots of country are just thinking about that problem, but they are not thinking about the solution of the problems. Okay, but someone across the world, they are thinking about the solution and they have made the product, and after that they sell in your market, in your doorstep, and your country as a product. Okay, that is called the blue ocean. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
That is the blue ocean.
Yes.
Because when I started my study, I was only known as that some telephone system are there. That's what the ringing mechanism. Okay. In 1995, I have just seen this mechanism in the form of the pager. Okay.
Yeah, pager.
Pager. Within short span of time, pager vanished. Even I was wondering about the scientific calculator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, we all are the witness. We all the witness. We just witnessed in 1995. Then we seen the situation of the telecommunication industry, computer industry. At that time, computer was known as the desktop. Desktop. But you know that after that they become the palm top. They become the browser. Computer become the browser. Okay, and now computer become the body. Wearable computer are there. People use computing through the watch. People use computing through
Yes.
the just like specs. Okay, Google camera are also there. Smart camera are
AR.
there.
Yeah, augmented reality actually
Uh,
take the place of the
so
body.
means lots of changes are there. Means we all are the witness of a new technology. Okay, it may be I'm going to say the lots of mechanism is going to arrive shortly, and only three important thing is that innovation and innovation exist. Okay,
Yeah.
so point is that means today youth is totally different than previous the 50 years, 60 years. Their mentality was totally different. But today mentality is totally different. Technology is changing. So point is that if we are going to do the research, we have to first make mind clear. Okay, if we have to create a unique problem, we have to find out the solution of these problems. This problem related with the peoples, problem related with the policy, problem related with the process. Okay, means three problem are there. Problem related with the peoples, problem related with the process, and problem related with the product. Okay, you know that means 7.8 billion people across the world, they get vaccinated within the 6 months. Okay,
Yes.
then what they will do, you know that they will do the comparative analysis. They will find out the symptom of this vaccine. What are the result of that? They will create another vaccine in the form of booster dose. Getting my point? You we all be the witness. You know that.
Yes, sir. Now the hot topic of the hot topic, the booster dose.
The international
Yeah,
market, booster dose,
booster dose.
single dose.
And if you know that, if I'm not going to claim anyone, Jusam, because this is a very important topic I'm going to discuss today. I'm not going to say because as an intellectual, I don't have a right to say anything about this topic. Okay,
Yes.
this because but as a researching attitude and researching skills, you know all the things. This is the how disease happen, means how disease appeared. Okay, how disease appears. Getting my point? Hello.
Sir, you are not audible
Yeah.
clearly.
No. Okay.
Yeah, now okay, now okay.
Now
Means
audible now.
my question is that we all are the scientific person. We all are the scientific person. We are trying to think, and our brain is working in that direction. Okay, so
Yes,
try
sir.
to understand during the month of the December 29 and
Yes, sir.
January,
Yes, sir.
February, March 29,
Yes.
how this disease appears. Okay,
Speculated.
how it appears. Getting my point?
How it's appear. It is a very debatable question.
How it appears, and after that it appears, what happen? What are the debate happen in the market?
Very baffling data. And we will throw more at each other countries.
And during
Sir, can you please take your mic close to your mouth? So actually the sound is not clear again.
okay, no, okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, now okay.
Okay, so
Now,
my concern is that this is I'm going to share this thing. This is a very different manner. As a
yes,
scientific
sir.
researcher, means we are not going to blame anyone. Okay, we are just discussing
No,
the
no.
topic. Try to understand. Try to think about as a doctoral research, as a researcher, how this disease appears in the month of November, December, January, February, or March. Okay.
Also, from where it's speculated.
No, no, I'm going to share this one by. Means December 2019, means November
Yes,
2019, December 2019, January 2020, February 2020, March
February and March.
2020. And after that, what's happened? Across the world, lockdown happened.
Yes.
What's happened?
Lockdown as a
Lockdown.
result.
Means March, April, May, June. Okay.
May,
After that, May, June. In the month of June 2020, 21, 22, 20, June, August, September, October. Okay. Then they will think about that. We have invented the vaccine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, means they
yes,
appear the vaccine, means first phase disease happen, they appear the vaccine. Okay, and after that they release second wave of the disease. How it happened?
sir, here they means who?
They means in the first phase of the coronavirus, first wave of the coronavirus in the month of this November 2029, December 29, and January
Sir,
2020.
you are not audible, sir, again.
Okay, no, okay.
Sir is sharing very confidential things. That's why sir is somehow audible and not, somehow not audible.
No, this is not a quantity because this is the very debatable. Okay, this is very
Yes,
debatable.
sir.
So try to think, means
Very hot and
I'm not going to share that what is the X and what is Y. I'm not going to share. But as a researcher, try to train that during the month of the November 29, December 29, January 2020, February 2020, March 2020, what's happened? And after that, March, April, May, and June, complete lockdown. Okay, they given the some break. They given the some break, and after that, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and January 2021, February 20, March 20, and again second wave of the virus arises. Okay, again second wave of the virus arises, and after that in the month of means March, April, May, and now we are in the June 2021, and they are preparing third wave of the coronavirus. Third wave of the coronavirus. Okay. So how it is happening? Okay. How it's happening? What are the basic fundamental research on that? So that is the literature research. That is not a scientific research. But one time, another time means the scientific person, researcher, they have created the product and they commercialize it. They have commercialized it. Means across the world, 7.8 billion people are there. Very few company have created the product, and they are start making money also. Okay, but small
Took the
people are,
opportunity. The problem created by the virus, and they took the opportunity they created by solving the problem.
so no question is that who created problem and who create the product.
Everyone knows who have created.
No. Actually, this is also very researching topics. We can't say that. Okay.
I say
Because
every day people are researching on this topic also.
no, they are researching
People are
because
blaming each other.
they are blaming each other based on their knowledge.
That
Okay.
need to be engaged FBI for the investigation, not the research. Actually, that is another case.
They will happen in 2025. You know that they will happen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because they will happen. They will going to do. Okay. Because lots
Yes.
of things
The
are
source
there.
of the source of the or origin of the virus.
Yeah. Because
Whether
they
it is
still,
man-made or
still no one are knowing do that, no one aware that, no government agency are aware of what is going to happen.
Yes.
And what is going to happen, we have taken the vaccine, and they are going to give a certificate. Okay, you have vaccinated.
Yes.
Okay, that certificate is going to valid for the 6 month only. What will happen
Yes.
after that? What will happen after that? Means another opportunity they are going to create in the form of booster dose.
And also the new variant is coming. You are even you are taking vaccine. You are not safe. You are not 100% safe.
Means
You
another
are
thing
still
is
prone
that
to. You are still prone.
new variant is coming, or who is creating new variant.
Yeah.
We don't know.
We never.
With new mutants.
Yeah, we don't know.
So lots of researching things. So lack of scientific training in the methodology of the research is legal, because problem in research not too similar to science, uncontrollable variables, human tendency, time and money, lack of computerization, lack of scientific training in the methodology of the research. So in this mechanism, insufficient interaction with the university research department and business establishment. Okay, because you know that at the university we create the mechanism to represent your knowledge. Okay,
Yes.
at industry you create your solution in the form of product. Okay, in the form of product. Or question is that if you created the product, that product must be utilized by the peoples. Okay, so if they will not utilize by the peoples, then your research is going to waste. Okay, so until and unless you have not get any academic approvals, then you are not going to deploy your knowledge in efficient manner. Okay, so we have the insertion interaction between a university research department and business establishment. This is also a big problem. Lack of confidence on the part of the business unit to give information, and another lack of code of conduct also. Okay, you will see the document of the United Nations that was the release in the March 2020, that was on the social stigma. Okay, and what they have given and what our media personnel did, that is totally different. Getting my point? Across the world,
Yes, sir.
across the world. Means today I am not going to discuss about the country or state. We are discussing the across the world. These problems happen. So lack of code of conduct also, difficult of the adequate and timely secretarial assistance. When you are going to write the letters, you are going to select the words, you are going to select the sentence, and after the releasing of document, you know that this statement is not sufficient. You have to change it because you know your statement is going to be evidence for other. Your statement is going to act as a evidence for the other. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so your statement is going to evidence for the other, means your writing is going to create a evidence for the others, your speaking is going to create the evidence for the others. Okay, your thoughts is going to create the evidence of the others, your knowledge is going to create for the evidence for the others. So we have to think about the secretarial practices, secretarial assistance, because Sudipta is working on the language and literature. Here it is very meaningful. Okay, because creation of knowledge is totally different. Creation of product is totally different, but secretarial
Yes,
point is totally different. Even you have created very good research, very good product, but your secretarial practice is not good, then you are not able to sell your product efficiently and effectively, and you will not get a more powerful result than what you think, what you fix. Getting my point? So secretarial
yes, sir.
practice or secretarial practice matter for the any product and services. So in this point of view, again, very important thing is that keep poor library management and functioning pointer difficult to timely availability of the published data, means sometime we face the problem about that कि we have a not sufficient data, then what we will do. So at that time we, means in the case of coronavirus, no literature review are there. Okay, then what happened? They have created product or not? They have created.
Created.
Yes, the product. Yes, sir.
Okay, even literature review are not there. They have created the product. This is the very big thing.
Mm. It's
Okay,
very
they
hurriedly
work.
created the product.
They work on the dead cell, corona dead cell, and they created the product.
Yes, yes, sir. Mm.
So it means that the published data are the issues. Lots of ignorance are also there. You know that same times, if these company and these peoples are not think like that, and the research they will not think like that, then we are able to get vaccinated today, or we are able to get the vaccinated.
No.
No, we'll wait.
So ignorance is
We would
also
wait.
very important thing, is that lots of people have ignored lots of things. Okay, another research for the sake of the research limited practical utility through they may use high sounding business jargon. Means sometimes we use lots of technical word, lots of technical or managerial word. People don't understand what you want to say. Okay, or if people will not going to understand what you want to say, then what they will respond. So you should not use the very powerful and like that discussion jargon or like that. So role of research in the decision making is very effective. Research in a decision making is the process of selecting the best alternative from the available set of alternatives. management of chief lie concerned with the decision making and its implementation. These decisions should be based on the appropriate study, evaluation, and observations. Research provide us with the knowledge and skill needed to solve the problem and to meet the challenge of the fast-paced decision-making environment. These are the very terminologies as per the statement of the Harvard A. Simon. They told us here's a very powerful decision making strategist. He told us decision making involves three activities. One is the intelligence activity, where we scan the environment for identifying condition necessary for the decision. Okay, we just scan the environment. And second important skill is that designing activity, identifying, developing, and analyzing the alternative course of the action. And third is the choice activity, choosing the best course of action from among the alternatives. Okay,
Is this all the three applicable for a single decision?
yes, these are the able for the single decisions, management decisions, and whatever decision are there. But especially when we are going to make any decision regarding to, for example, we have to take the vaccine, whether we have to take the vaccine or not. Means vaccine like the Covaxin, vaccine like Covishield, vaccine like the Sputnik. Okay, right now only three vaccines are there across the world. Okay,
Yeah.
first is the Covaxin, second is Covishield, and third is the Sputnik.
Third is Sputnik V. Fourth
Okay,
is Sputnik V.
so in this team, we want to take a decision to which way we have to take and which vaccine we have to vaccinate it. Okay, so in this we have to just scan the environment for identifying condition necessary for the decision. Okay, who taken, who not taken, what's happened, what's the pros and cons on that. Designing activity, identifying, developing, and looking at the course of action, and choosing the best course of the action from the among the alternatives. Okay. So another very important point is that there is a statement factors that affect the managerial decision. Some factor is there like the internal factor, external factor, and quantitative factors. Factor internal factor just like the factors present inside the organization such as resources, technology, trades, union, cash flow, or manpower. Okay, these are the internal factor. And another is the external factor, factor present outside the organization such as government policy, political factor, socio-economic factor, legal framework, geographical and culture factors. And next is the quantitative factor that can be measured in the quantity such as time, resource, cost, like that. Okay, these are the factors for the many management and managerial decision, maybe for the academic purpose, maybe for the industry purpose, maybe for the corporate purpose, maybe for the your excellence, maybe for your knowledge, skill, experience, whatever this. So this factor. Another is the
Your
qualitative.
managerial decision means
Yeah, managerial decision means
sir,
that
here managerial decision means
managerial decision means when you going to take any decision uh, as the mass amount means right now if you think about that you are the prime minister, you are the chief minister of the state. Okay, you have to take that we have to vaccinate entire Odisha peoples. Okay,
hmm.
so question is that means your decision is very effective decision. What will happen if people will die? What will happen? Who will be responsible? You will blame your chief minister
Chief Minister will be responsible.
because they have taken decision.
Yes.
Okay, so point is that managerial decision concern about the managerial decision factor depend on the internal factors, external factor, and quantitative factor. Managerial decision may also apply in your family also, your head of the family, maybe your parents. Okay, If they did good, okay, no problem, you will appreciate. If result will not happen in as per your expectation, then what you are going to say? And this is a
I
very
will blame
ridiculous
them.
thing. You did very ridiculous things. I'm not interested with that. I'm not happy with your decision. Okay.
Yes,
So because the people who manage all the things, they have to take the decision effectively and efficiently. It may be internal factor, external factor, and quantitative factors. Another is point is that qualitative factor or uncertainty factor also there. Okay, because right now, you know that we are the witness at India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had taken the entire power. They have seized power of the state.
yes, sir.
State minister,
Yes,
uh, and they start the vaccination across the India. State
they
ministers,
can't make any global trend.
no, they have taken
Cannot
that.
make any global trend.
They have taken as a central government. They are going to vaccinate 1.40 crore peoples across the India. But
Yes,
within two months, the minister across
yes,
the India, they told us how you are taking this decision. At least give me the charge to take decision, because my role is also there. Okay, prime minister, okay, no problem, you want to take a decision and you want to take the responsibility, okay, do it. And what happened in the month of the uh, April, May, or March, April, May 2021,
yes.
people's blaming and claiming each other. No vaccine are there, no bed are there, no oxygen are there. This, okay, no vaccine are there, no point are there. This is the things. Okay, so so in these cases, some
Sir, you are
uncertainty.
not audible again.
Exactly, exactly. We both are audible to each other, but Sar is not audible.
Okay, okay. Uncertainty factor which cannot means the state
Sir, same
minister.
Yes,
sir.
Sar is not audible.
No, okay.
And how Hussein is audible from Bangladesh and you are from very nearby state, you are not audible?
Actually,
No,
no,
actually,
no, I am audible.
I am having problem.
No, 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 no. This is not a
Yeah,
problem.
I can't listen anything, really. I can listen Hussein, but I can't listen to you.
No, no, okay, okay, no, okay.
Sir, it's still like you are talking like from another planet.
It is like
Very,
far
very,
away.
very
It is
little.
like
No, okay,
not from other planet. It is like from far away. Someone is speaking, just like that.
okay, no, okay,
No, 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 no.
Not like the
Somehow,
previous.
no, no,
no.
okay,
Hussein is sounding very much audible. Sorry, unfortunately, I can't hear you.
no, okay,
Uh,
Okay, sir. Okay.
okay,
okay.
Better,
somehow,
better.
okay.
Yeah.
Actually, problem is not my voice. Problem is not in your voice. Problem is with the medium of this mechanism. Hello.
So actually, where are you residing? Are you residing from Rajasthan?
Right. No, my point.
Nothing is
Right now, I am
audible.
in Rajasthan. Right now, I'm in Rajasthan. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the uncertainty factor happen through this. So I was in discussion is that the state minister, they have created their problems and then they create a solution also. And after that, from the 21st of June, here central government again taken a charge and then all things happen
Yes.
effectively. No problem in the
Yes.
vaccination, no problem in the doses, no problem in any. So who created a problem and why it's created a problem? Okay, so problem is
It is
totally
very debatable.
debatable. So my point is that no
Mhm.
question is that after the discussion with the factor that affect the managerial decision, no, we are talking about the type of research we are going to accomplish, like the descriptive or analytical research. Descriptive research is known as the fact-finding investigation. Okay. Fact-finding investigation, which is aimed at describing the characteristics of the individual, situation, or group, or describe the state affairs of the exist at the present. Okay. Descriptive research is the fact-finding investigation which is aimed at describe the characteristics of the individual, situation, or group, describe the state affairs that they exist of the present. In the starting, I have just shared with you that just create a report through the available research in the market. Okay, you have just observed about that. So what are the fact-finding investigation which I am to describe? And after that, we have the another type of research is also there. Analytical research is primarily concerned with the testing hypothesis and expressing the interpreting relationship by analyzing the fact or the information. Means if I'm going to blame that this is mine, so how it is mine, you have to explain it. Okay. So
The second one is database.
Where?
Second one is database, like analytical research.
Yes.
Mostly database.
Database.
And the first one, descriptive, is mostly theoretical based.
Theoretical parts.
Or the fact, yeah.
Yeah. So another part is very important thing is that another part of the research is the applied or fundamental research. So applied research, action research is the carry out to find solution to real life problem requiring action of policy decision. So real life problem what?
Okay.
Real life problem related with the water, related with the sanitation, related with the food
Climate.
security, related with the climate, related with the life-saving drug like the corona. Okay.
Yeah.
So the action research is that we have just questioned the real life problems, and fundamental, which also known as basic or pure research undertaken for the sake of knowledge without any intention to apply the practical. It undertake out the intellectual curiosity of not necessary problem only. मतलब कभी कभी क्या है, हम लोग ऐसा भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं जो प्रॉब्लम जरूरत नहीं है लेकिन करना पड़ता है ना. Means sometime we just create and we just solve the problem for the sake of curiosity. Okay, for the sake of just curiosity. So this is also fundamental, which is known as basic or pure research is undertaken for the sake of knowledge without any intention to apply its practical. It is undertaken out the intellectual characteristic and not necessarily problem related oriented. So in these cases, another part is research that is a quantitative and qualitative research. Quantitative research is implied for the measuring the quantity or amount of particular phenomena by the use of statistical analysis. Okay.
That's a good.
Statistical analysis. Again, it starts about the database, it starts about the your sampling method, and like sampling method, and survey method, and like that.
Yeah.
And qualitative
Regression
research is
or-
also
Sir, in literature we use, sir, in literature basically we use qualitative research. I think I have no idea, but I just heard.
yeah. Actually, the thing is that when we make a decision, it may be through the decision tree. So if you are going to create a decision, you have to understand fact and figure. What are the background of decision? What are the background of your belief systems? Okay. Okay. So you just think about that. If we have created these problems and we have to solve this problem, whether this is the right way to solve the problems. If this is the right way of to solve the problem, then we have to take a decision effectively based on the some criteria, based on the statistical analysis. Okay. So another part is a non-qualitative type of research analysis and to find in the qualities. Another part is that conceptual or empirical research also. So conceptual research is generally used by the philosopher and thinker to develop new concept or reinterpret existing ones. Okay.
like the blue ocean?
Maybe. It's generally used by philosopher and thinker to develop new concept or reinterpret ocean origin. This is like the
Philosopher.
blue ocean. Or empirical research is a database research which depends on the experience or observation alone. It aims to come up with a conclusion without regard for the system of theory. Okay. Because sometime you will not,
Please give us an example.
sometime you will not see your research on the theory, on literature. You have to create your own knowledge.
Experience.
Yes. Alone, it's MCMS means database research. Alone is the observation alone, like that. In these cases, some other type of research are also there. Means like that one-time research conformed to a single time period. Longitudinal research carried out over several time periods. Diagnostic research called a clinical research, which aim to identify the cause of the problem, frequency with which it occur, and the possible solution for it is. And another is the exploratory research. It's a primarily study of an unfamiliar problem about which the researcher is little no knowledge. So it is aimed to gain familiarity with the problem to generate new idea or make a precise formulation of the problem. Means right now, if you are going to start the research, you have to just do the exploratory research first. Okay. If you
With the exploratory research, just start the research and then decide that which method will move on.
no. Actually, you have just study the problem and study the solution. Means author solution, what they have given. You have to just listen. Okay. You have to listen and understand
It
their
is a
problem.
formulative research. Exploratory research is a formulative research, no?
Explorative research is that you just, if you are thinking about
Is it-
that, how, my question is that how Google happened, means how and when Google originated, why Google originated. Okay, this is a very simple question. Okay, so how you will study, how you will know that how Google originated and what are the reason behind creation of the Google. If I'm going to say the how much data, means every minute, how many search are going on the Google search engine.
Okay.
It's kind of root cause analysis.
Yeah, cause and best cases are there. So how you will
Yeah.
get? It is a primarily study of the unfailure problem about which research, little knowledge, Ramchand gain. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in these spaces are there, and another is the experimental research. It is designed to assess the effect of one particular variable or phenomena by the keeping the other variable constant or control. And last, very important thing is that this historical research. Basically, it is a study of the past record and other information sources with a view to find the origin and development of phenomena and to discover the trend in the past in order to understand the present and to anticipate the future. So these are the very, very important things. And after that, after the understanding of the types of research, we are going to discuss.
Sir, historical research, if we look in the historical research, is kind of sometimes it's related with the like analytical research, which is database. Like if I look into the like in the share market, in Nasdaq or anywhere, I took the data of the last 10 years, analyze it, and then after that I do make my investment. So those are the right related, like historical research.
Yes,
So
these
there is
are
historical research which based on history, I think.
yeah, background study.
Facts of past.
Background
Background
study.
study.
background study.
Mm.
But we have to very curious, because if we will not very curious about this terminology, then situation will be very different. Okay, because we have to very curious about the statistical data. We have to just that we can't say that in 2001, 2010, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, it happened. Means if we are going to say that as per the this global pandemic, every 100 years such types of pandemic is going to happen. It may
Yes,
be
sir. Yes, sir.
2020, it may be in the cases of what will happen in the cases of
Sir, if you
2000.
study, sir, if you study the theory of pandemic from 700 century or 600 century, or from 1400 century, it will be a historical research, like
No,
plague,
yeah,
the
this
Spanish
is
flu.
means you have to just study about that, how it happened, who it happened, and
Mm,
why it is going to happen, what
mm.
are the solution, and which way they have to solve it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Actually,
sir.
we are the witness. We are a witness when in the month of the March 2020, same statement we have seen on the televisions, we have seen on the media. Okay, so they given the part. So now
Yes.
after that we have that discussed about the research process. So here you are giving, seeing these diagrams are there, and we will discuss this diagram in the next class, means
Yes,
tomorrow,
sir.
about the research process. Here you will see that the defined research problems, number one, then do the literature review, matter literature review of the literature, where we review the concept and theories, review the previous research findings. Okay, and third phase we will do formulate hypothesis. Okay,
Something
and
like the feedback loop.
yes,
Like
formulate
like
hypothesis.
So it is the
in our
complete
engineering,
research
we have
process
the
that we have to
feedback
follow.
loop for the process control. It's
Yeah,
something like
feedback,
feedback and review.
feedback and feed forward and like that. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
formulate hypothesis, design research, including sample design, collect data, execution, analytic data, test, hypothesis. This we are going to discuss.
Sir,
Okay,
we have to follow exactly these processes in our process also, in our thesis also.
this is the scientific
So we have
methods.
to follow this process.
This is the
Okay.
scientific method. This is the scientific method. Okay, and I'm not going to say that you will you have to follow or you don't have to follow. Okay, the thing is that these are the scientific methods. Okay, or these are the
That
research.
we
Okay.
that we need to know, but following or not following depend on the our research proposal and criteria and all
That is totally
many
different.
more.
That
Yeah.
is totally different, because the thing is that if you want to do
Mm.
bomb blast anywhere, okay, you also doing same
Bomb
research.
blast anywhere.
Okay, you doing
Okay.
Exactly.
same research, but what the result of that I don't know. Okay, so situation is totally different. If you want to create any scientific discovery, okay, if you are going to implant any new medicine, if you are going to generate new concept, new idea, new product that is going to utilize by the public, so we have to think about that. Otherwise what will happen, you don't know about that. Means not, if people will die, they will blame, they will give blame on you and your idea and concept. So we have to very strategically. Okay, if you are going to create the bridge,
You have to
you have
very
to know that
courageous also.
strategy are matter. So in the next class we will discuss about that definition of the research problems, related as research problems, based on how to know about the research problems, conflicts, and how we will do that, source of the problem, we will have criteria of selection and like that. After that we will discuss it. Okay, any question till date?
Yes, sir. Sir, like some concept of process improvement, like the existing some practices for the oil and gas industry or some kind of industry, that there are maintenance philosophy or the technology they're using. There is a lot of opportunity for the improvement with the the augmented reality or some other adopted technology. So that could be an option for the research or showing the changes or scope that what the impact on the business and also the productivity.
Again, repeat your question.
Like sir, industry practice for the maintenance or equipment data collection process, maintenance, predictive maintenance, or preventive maintenance philosophy. So there is some augmented reality or devices or the new technology can be adopted to enhance the reliability of the equipment and get the predictive data, predictive maintenance on the based on the data. So that there is a lot of opportunity to improve the productivity and also the performance and reduce the break time. That could be an research scope to be considered, just a thought.
I think here, if we are talking about the research and the issues, for the solution of the any problem, for the solution of many problems, we have to do one thing: just make a demo diagrams, simulations through the computers. For example, if you want to create the turbine, okay, if you want to create the turbine, this is your concept, okay. How you are
Yes.
going to convince someone? How you are going to convince someone you have created the turbine? Till date you have not created, but you have to convince that yes, we have created the turbine and we are able to do that in the physical mode also. Because
Simulation.
If people
Simulation is the
if people is not convinced with your idea, then they are not going to approve your proposal. Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
Because for the success of any products or any proposals entirely depend on the various variables related with the money, various related with the peoples, various related with the time, okay, various related with the performance, okay, various report the people's lives, okay. Because no industries want to destroy their products and they does not like to be failed, okay, and they never accept any failure one in the real scenario.
Yes, of course.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
Because very few organization they accept failure, very few, very limited amount. I don't know whether especially related with the government organization, they will accept your failureness, but private organization are not going to accept their failureness. Because if any concept, idea or product fail, it means they lost their value, their credibility, their market and their time also. Getting my point? Because we
Yes.
have the very limited time, or within that limited time we have to solve entire related problem of that, or that they are going to hire you only one reason: they want to get success. they doesn't want to see any failureness. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
you are an industrialist, you are going to hire someone based on the 10 lakh, 10 crore, 20 crore rupees as a salary person. Why you are going to hire? To
To earn more,
fill the, to earn
to
more.
utilize, capitalize him, his skill.
They want to increase their balance sheet.
Yes.
Or if
Bottom
you,
line.
yeah, after that you just drop their balance sheet, then what will happen? You know that.
Yeah. Exactly.
So we have to very strategic in this manner, very strategic manner. And before going in the ground market, we have to study in the open market. If someone means like I'm going to share this example of the fisherman, okay, who do fishing, okay, they
Yes,
want to do fishing in the sea area or the river area. They does not know fish are available or not, but they know the speed of the water. They know the speed of the water, they know symptom of the water, they know the wave of the water. Based on that they can assume, okay, this area may be effective for the fishing. So if people are not literally or academic strong, they are also making decision effectively. Okay, means we can't say that only qualified person can take decision effectively. We can't say that. Okay,
yes, sir.
means qualification is totally different things. Decision making is totally different things. Getting my point? Qualification is totally different things. But at the society levels, we need to recognize we have to be qualified. We have to show that, okay, we have the qualified, we have the certified degrees. That's why we are going to qualify. But when you will say and share the idea in front of the market, they are not going to ask about the questions regarding your degree and experience. They will ask and they will observe your way of the writing, way of the house, way of the behavior, way of the concept, and way of your action, call for action towards solution of the inter problems. Okay. So this is all about the researching attitude. So next point, next class we will discuss about the some research process, and after that we will come about that which way we can create the report writing and technical things, and like that we will do it. 2-3 classes more, that will be very effective. After that we will do the in practical manner. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because as per the academics we have to give the some questions and you have to give the answer also. Okay, so
Yeah.
we have to be literary because we have to give the evidence also. Okay, yes, the student has a pass coursework certificate and coursework examination, so how we can assume
Whether they will ask us whether they will practically access or we have to attend it theoretically.
theoretically. Okay, that will be the online, don't worry about that. Okay.
No,
Okay,
sir.
till
We are
that.
not worried. We need to be courage to do the research. So we are following your lecture. So yeah. So it's a very good thing that the concept is day by day become clear. It's a good approach that what is the research and how to proceed on it. That
Yeah.
is totally different ball game, not the like that we till date we studied the academic or bachelor or masters.
It doesn't
So that
actually.
is it's a
It is
different ball
completely
game.
different.
Actually, till date,
It is completely different. It is completely
what you
scientific
did
also.
till date, what you did, you just follow any textbook. Okay,
curriculum and syllabus.
textbooks, syllabus, and your professor, lecturer, assistant professors, and your mentor, they ask questions. Okay, and you given the answer. Okay, if this is the theoretical question answer, this is the theoretical answer. It is related with the 50%, 60%, 70%. You get pass.
Yes, sir.
No, this is your. This is time to create your own problem. Understand your problem and solve
Yes,
your
sir.
problem and
And
prove
solve the
that
problem.
solve the problem and prove that this is the pure solution.
Right.
Okay, you have to solve the problem. You have to
Here
convince.
we have to find a problem and then we have to solve the problem.
Solve the problem. You have to convince the problem that
Yes.
okay, this is the
Right.
solution. So the thing is that
This will
totally
be very
involved.
arduous journey.
So the thing is that totally different because
Very long and arduous.
why
Difficult journey.
actually why I'm going to discuss these things with you. For me, especially, research is not a very big deal. Okay, for me, research is not a big deal, but creation of the good product and service is a very big deal. Okay, because when you will create any goods, any product or any service effectively and efficiently, and you will mark and you will make benefited to the public, you will make whatever you want to make. You will make money, you will make goodwill, you will make respect, whatever. Just like today Pfizer is doing, Sputnik is doing, Bharat Biotech is doing, and what was this? Who is that? Howard is doing.
Moderna, I think.
4 5 years are there.
Yes, sir.
Five means these are the 4 players are there. They are enjoying entire nation, entire not nation,
They are
entire
being celebrated.
globe,
They are
entire
also getting
globe.
celebration.
Okay, they are
Entire
doing,
globe is worshipping them.
yeah, they are doing celebration, or we are taking vaccination. Hmm? They
Yes,
they
sir.
We
are
are like pray
no, actually the
to
thing is
their
that
achievement.
the Pfizer, Bharat Biotech, or Sputnik is celebrating their
Their
achievement,
success.
their success, or we are get vaccinated.
We are fallen as a prey. Sir, we are fallen as a prey.
Getting my point? We are vaccinated. So this is called the real blue ocean. This is the real blue ocean. They created within 1 year of research. Okay, this within 1 year they created such types of research funnels,
So they have
and they
created a problem and they have created the solution also. And we are the target.
actually I'm not going to say this thing, but people, scientific brain people know these things. Okay, so first we have to create the problem, then we create the solution. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, no problem. This is a very good thing. So we will do same things. We will do same thing in different manner. Okay, for the sake of humanities, for the sake of the ethics values, and for the sake of the people's values are there, humanities value are there, because as a human beings, it doesn't matter he born where, because as a human beings we are the same epidemiology, we hold same epidemiology. Okay, same epidemiology, we required same necessary requirements. Okay, so do if means researching, keep doing research. If we we are able to create such types of phenols, such as the blue ocean, means I will also happy to see that most Hussein will create a blue ocean like that, and I will enjoy. Okay, no problem. I will just supported them. He can do, and if you need any help from my side, I am available 24/7. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Pray for me.
So I will
Pray
very
for us.
happy. Definitely do it. Do it. Okay. Thank you. Till date. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for a
Thank you.
pleasurable class.